Hi, Amy here, and in this video training series, I'm going to be sharing some strategies for creating and monetizing how-to content. So you might be wondering, why do people like and love how-tos or tutorials? This is one of the most popular and easy to create types of content, and it's great for driving engagement and even generating income. So in this video, I'm going to share how you can identify popular content and use it to your advantage for creating tutorial type how-to content. So tutorials are very popular and in demand, and they really allow people to learn new things and master new skills. I don't know about you, but I've often gone online to figure out how to do something because it's just a lot faster and easier to learn how to do something rather than going to somebody else specifically. So it's a great way to learn. And one of the things that you want to be thinking about as a content creator is how you can tap into tutorials, why they're useful, what makes a good one, and how to find popular topics. So one of the things that's great about these from a content creation perspective is they're short, they can be easy to create, they're very popular, and they're extremely versatile. So anyone can make a tutorial, but the objective is to make a good one. You've probably had that experience as well, where you've gone and tried to follow what somebody's telling you to do and it's just confusing or it doesn't make any sense. So if you're going to be creating tutorials, you want to make sure that you create some that are clear and easy to understand. So it should be a useful and popular topic, a clear objective, a logical structure, and include easy to understand instructions. Also, choosing the wrong topic can be a disaster because there might not be enough people interested in what you're talking about. So you really want to find something that has a built-in audience. And you don't want to be too specific either. You want to really get a nice cross-section where there's enough people looking for what you're going over. So, for example, here's a tutorial on creating a very cute llama hat. So the people who are interested in this tutorial might be interested in things like cute hats, how to crochet, and llama hats. So llama is a little specific, but if people are interested in doing animal hats or learning how to do hats in general, this is something they might be interested in. So that brings us to keyword targeting. Keyword targeting is pretty effective with this because it allows you to find what people are actually looking for. So people want to know, for example, how to unclog a toilet, and then they cover different things here. So you could include maybe do a tutorial on one at a time, or like the five best ways to unclog a toilet, for example, if that's the topic that you're focusing on. So if you really want to find out what people are searching for, you can use things like the Google Keyword Planner. You have to have a free Google Ads account, Moz Keyword Tool, or SEMrush Keyword Magic. And those two as well, they do offer some free things, and then of course they have some paid tools, but they do have some things in there where you can do some free searches. So if you'd like to learn more about creating tutorials as well, I encourage you to check out Instructo. You'll see the link below in the comments. It really focuses on creating instructional and tutorial type content that you can monetize.